So during this quarantine period, we thought it would be beneficial to everybody to lock John Doyle in a little closet and send him back way through the archives. And he came up with this little gem from an old ShopNotes issue. So it was pretty cool. So we decided to put it together and include it in an upcoming issue of Woodsmith because it's a neat little organizer that you could probably use on your workbench or somewhere in your shop. The construction of it is pretty simple. And even though it kind of looks like a kerplunk game, it actually works really well. So there are 4 corner posts that are made out of maple, and then they have a groove cut down them. And into the groove is 4 pieces of pegboard. Now, what's cool about this is to create this organizer up top, you just cut some dowels to length and you insert them wherever you want to make a little cubby hole in top. And with these guys being an inch on center, you end up with about a 3/4 inch hole for tools to go into. Or if you want a little bit bigger hole, you can pull out a row of dowels and make these holes whatever size you need. So it's great to hold screwdrivers, calipers, stuff that you probably want close at hand, but you don't need all the time. And then on the back side, we've included a strip magnet. And that's good to hold little things like driver bits, acid brushes, or even jigsaw blades. Just things that you might want to keep at hand, but you don't want to get lost in the drawer. Overall, it's a cool little tip from the ShopNotes archive.